Happened in the first half, and the acceptance speeches have been on fire. Who got shouted out the most? Let's look at the numbers. All right, cast and crew are leading the way with 11 mentions. Moms are holding strong with 3 shout-outs. God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions. And Mario Lopez, host of Access Hollywood, 1. All right. No surprise in this godless town. The room is...
Grabe yun, goddamn gang, man. Alam nyo, man, hindi naman tayo perfecto, pero bro, wag natin imamak si God Almighty, bro. Nakita nyo naman yung nangyari sa California sa mga news ngayon, bro. Nasusunog yung mga syudad nila, man. Okay? Ito yung nagtatawaan pa sila. Bro, hindi ito biro, okay?
has been buzzing, and there's been a lot of talk about...
During the 2025 Golden Globe Awards, host Nikki Glazer's opening monologue included jokes that some interpreted as mocking religious themes. For instance, she made a jest about Hollywood's culture, stating, "It's no surprise that no winners thanked God tonight. After all, this is Hollywood." In the days following the ceremony, several online commentators drew connections between these jokes and subsequent events. Notably, some pointed out that within 48 hours of the Golden Globes, devastating fires swept through Los Angeles. These individuals suggested a correlation between the perceived mockery of God during the awards show and the natural disasters that followed. It's
Sa totoo lang, marami na ako naririnig tungkol dyan sa Hollywood, sa LA, di ba? Marami na tayong naririnig tungkol dyan na ang lugar daw na yan, sobrang makasalanan, para na siyang Sodom and Gomorrah. Okay? Kung alam niyo yung nasa Genesis, yung story sa Bible, para na daw, parang Sodom and Gomorrah na yung lugar na yaman. Okay? Tapos yan, may mga ganyan pa, minamak nila yung Diyos, yung gumawa daw ng, yung creator ng universe. Maling-mali, goddamn gang.
It's important to note that such interpretations are subjective and reflect personal beliefs. The jokes made during the Golden Globes were intended as satire, a common element in awards show monologues. The subsequent natural events, while tragic, are not scientifically linked to the content of the broadcast.
Damn, goddamn gang, man. Lagi tayo magdasal, nadudurog ang puso niya po KS sa mga nangyayari, bro. Nakakadurog ng puso, lalo na maraming properties, thousands of properties, billions of dollars of damages, at may mga patay na rin dyan. Sana ito ay maging ito na sana ang simula ng pagsisisi ng mga tao, bro. Okay? Bumalik tayo sa gumawa, sa ating creator, goddamn gang. Okay? Hindi ito biro. Hindi ito biro, goddamn gang, man. Anyway, goddamn gang, comment kayo sa baba ano masasabi niyo sa pinanood nating video, man. Lagi tayo magdadasal, okay? Humingi tayo ng patawad sa mga kasalanan natin, okay? Humingi tayo ng tulong sa ating lumikha at magpasalamat tayo. Yun lang, man. Yun lang.